got no eggs. It's on YouTube. Hi YouTube. I did not know you were here. But you are. So, this must mean I gotta do a video. Pancakes. I've never made a pancake. 3, 2, 1. Holy crap! Holy crap! No! You're looking dirty. You need a bath. There you are. Here we go. So I've never made them before, so you're gonna watch me probably first. Probably what the title says. We're gonna watch this how to do video, and I'm gonna do it. I don't think I did it right. Bricks are falling. Oh crap. Ah! I cannot wait to show you the mess I made. 1 cup of flour. What does it mean by 1 cup? There are like different types of cups. Half a pint. What the flip is a pint? Pint. It says pint. What do we do? Flour. Mix well. Alright, this is not going to work. I just have a peek. For what? The mess is outstanding. The neatness is outstanding. Can't you? No. Crack. You spanked it with a fork. I need a fork. Naughty boy. See, I'm not the best at this. That was really crap. That was crap at my finger. Whoa. Oh no, is that chicken? Try to kill the chicken. No. Yolk! Stick in! It went in. Is that eggshell? D.I.Y, my ass. Now I think we drink it. He gets no yolk in it, look at me. I made a Yankee on it. Sure. Wait, what? Crap. I was meant to get... Where's the bowl gone? Oh. No! Friggin' yolk! The egg white got it. No! Okay, it's almost gone over the top. I need to waste 2 more eggs. Let's give this another shot. Ooh. Mix the pan. Alright, that's why I have to bring you guys over to the pan. Oh gosh. Transition. So here's the pan. It was set up the camera. I'm doing this. Okay, so I just realised the video wasn't on. I don't know how much I missed, but it better not have been a lot. Basically, all I did if I did miss this part, we put olive oil in, and now I just put the mix on. Now I'm just waiting. And now I've got to get a good intro. Hang on. Holy crap! Holy crap! No! Alright, don't worry, Mum, just get a good intro. Looks burnt. Don't break. I think I might be ready. Right, here we go. 3, 2. Yeah. That is burned. Oh, I can't do it. Yay! Pancake number 1. Just so you know, guys, there's so much mix. Okay, this one's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna flip it. No. Yes. One, 2, 3. For the compilation, I'm just gonna eat one. Why don't I just blow that? Hey! Right, I just put the last pancake on, and here's a good time to announce my sponsor. If I had one. Oh, by the way, I've got merch. I've got merch. Only for me, but I might release it later. But it's just for me for the moment. I'm going to leave it a surprise until it comes through. Hello, can I take your order, please? You would like the special pancakes. Good, that's the only thing we sell. Okay, I go get it for you. Where the hell did my pencil go? Hang on, 1 minute. It's ready. Oh, you're on your own? Oh, how sad. You sad little boy. I sit with... Bloody hell, you fat fuck. What would you like on your pancakes? I got money in my mind. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button, sure to subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Uh-oh. Why did I do that?